One of the things that I really don't like, after you come back from grocery shopping is you leave your keys somewhere and I found it, found it. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm here at Sabzi Mandi Cash and Carry for my grocery shopping. I found out about this one, few weeks ago. I used to do grocery shopping to the nearby shops which I had, but I cannot complete my shopping with just one grocery. I have to go to Walmart or Costco and to an Indian store to complete my whole grocery. This cash and carry Sabzi Mandi is a bit far from my house, but then I heard about this and I heard that the vegetables are really good, the prices are really good, and at the same time I get everything over here. Right now we are in the midst of COVID-19 situation and it's become very important for everyone to take precautions and to take care of themselves. I have an acute sinusitis problem. I cannot wear mask for a really long time, so which is why I don't wear a mask when I'm driving or when I'm walking outside. I will be wearing mask when I go inside the shop. That is something that I always do. In terms of wearing gloves, I don't wear it, but I make sure that I don't touch my face. So you will see me inside wearing the mask, but it becomes really difficult for me to breathe when I'm wearing mask, because my allergies really start acting up and it becomes really difficult for me to breathe and be sound like and to be able to take care of myself. Now this is me wearing mask. This is a cloth mask which was made by a friend of ours. She's so sweet and God really bless her. She's given us this mask and there's a filter inside it which is reusable, so I can wash it and I can use it as many times as I want to. But I really like this mask because it covers literally my whole face, and it even covers up to my chin. The other masks are good, but then they have some kind of funny smell. Already I have a problem with sinus, and on top of that the smell would be an issue. So I really like wearing this and I can wash this anytime and use it. So this is me wearing mask, and let's go inside and let's start shopping. Okay, so I am not able to find a trolley, but I have to use the basket. So, and there's just one basket left, so let's see.
The sun is coming up again, looking like it's gonna be a problem, cause I'd be lying to you if I said this ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend, gonna hit you up and tell you that I want you, cause I just wanna feel like this again. Oh, oh, oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, can you make me feel awesome? Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right, and then whoa, whoa, oh, oh. Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right, and then whoa. All I wanna do is feel awesome.
So I wanted to buy a steel karchi. It's like a steel ladle spoon, and I am looking for one but not able to find it. Let's see. Okay, this is the, let me just get this. Okay, there's just one, but I need a bigger one now. Okay, I didn't find the steel ladle, but I'll try in some other shop, maybe next time.
I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want?
There's one thing which I always buy are the ready-made parathas, because they're really helpful in the mornings when you don't know what to cook. So I usually buy aloo parathas, and I usually buy the This is the normal parathas, the big pack.
Wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never.
Okay, so I'm back. I'm done with the grocery shopping, and this was irritating. Let me just remove this off. Okay, it's very hot, and this mask has also made me it was difficult to breathe, but I have to wear it. These are some of the precautions that I'm taking, and you know, we just have to. So let's head home now, and I'll give you all a short brief about what I've got and what I've not, and what price.
I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh. But instead you were moody, and you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay.
I do my groceries in 3 parts. So the first part would be going to Walmart for any eggs, bread, and any poultry, or you know, pasta. For the veggies, I usually prefer an Indian store because I get almost everything from there, which is why I did the video today. And for all the bulk items like tissue papers, you know, cornflakes, or some kind of cheese, or chicken breast, is where I go to Costco. Okay, so here's the grocery that I got from the Indian store, and this you would usually you know, suffice us for 2 weeks, because other than this I already have dal, chawal, you know, the pulses, and rice. So the cauliflower I got for around 4. I've got the methi for $2. I've got the curry leaves as well for $2. I usually use this in some cooking and some oil. This really has helped me with my hair. I'm going to share that with you later in the next video. I've got the eggplant for around $3.14. I've got the okra for around $3.10. Then I've got the coriander. The coriander is for $1.30. I've got this one, the Shan garlic and ginger paste for around $2.50. And then I've got the green chili is around, I think it was you know, I think it was 4 LB. Per LB is 4, but I got this for around 16, yeah, 0.16 cents, yeah. Then I've got this one is 20 packs. I really like it. This is for around $10. I think the individual 4 packs or 5 packs would come around 5 to 6. So this is a really good deal. Obviously, you will find this in almost all the Indian household. This is a go-to you know, meal. So I got this one for 50 cents. I've got around 7 packs, so it's around $3.50. I really like this poha chilla. It's also a kind of an Indian snack. I got this for 3. I've got the aloo paratha for around I think it was around 3, yeah, so it is for 6. I've got the idli batter for 9. This usually you know, we usually try to finish this as much as we can, because we really like having idlis and dosas, and this is usually a weekend kind of a meal in the morning, like a brunch kind. Then I've got this one for around 4, and yeah, that's it. That's my grocery for these 2 weeks. So we are actually a family of two. It's me and my husband, and the way we kind of budget ourselves for groceries and for eating out is like $50 for per person per week, and then add another $100 or $50 if you want to eat outside, you want to order outside, you know. I love doing this video with you all, and I love grocery shopping. It's kind of a hobby, kind of like a stress reliever, especially during these times. But if you really like my video, please like and please subscribe. And if there are any other stores or any other grocery stores that you would want me to visit, please let me know in the comment box.